Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this makeup tutorial. Hey y'all, so as you'll see, I'm starting off with my brows, something easy. I'm taking the NYX brow pencil in dark brown. So as y'all see, I am not talking in this video. I was going to, you know, go through everything with y'all, but it'd be too much noise in my background. People be doing a lot of stuff, so yeah, didn't do that. And I'm gonna try and do voiceovers if I can't talk through the video. But yeah, like I said before, if y'all are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't know, my name is Simone, by the way. I do makeup over here on my channel, and sometimes I do hair videos, sometimes it's a mini vlog or whatever, but I just do whatever I like to do over here on my channel. But most of the time I'm doing my makeup. So yeah, makeup is therapeutic to me, so I like to try and recreate looks or come up with different looks. So yeah, right now I am priming my face with the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and I like this primer because it definitely makes your pores disappear, and when I have my foundation and stuff on, it actually makes it look seamless. So as y'all see, I'm using the Juvias Place Culture palette, and these shades were really cute. And then I'm gonna use the Morphe X Nyane Fairy Tale palette. This one's beautiful as well. So out of this palette, I'm taking the dark blue, and I'm using this as my crease shade. And what you want to do with this, you just want to go in and build this color up, like really build it up, that way it can be super dark. And then I'm gonna take this purple shade and go on the outer edges of it, just to make it mix a little bit. Okay, I was going in with a makeup wipe just to clean up my eyelid space. That way I don't have to actually do it with the concealer. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Porcelain Beige, and I'm just going to use this to outline the eyelid space. Now going in with the Nubian Royal by Juvias Place, I'm taking this very pigmented, bright ass neon purple, and I'm taking this on the like, I want to say half, but mostly half of the eyelid, like the middle to the end of the eye. Just place that purple all over. And I had to get a flatter brush to get the top of it. And I'm taking the Warrior 2 by Juvias, and I'm taking the black inside of here. And I'm just going on the beginning part of my eyelid. And then I'm taking another flat brush to get the edges of it. It looked kind of crooked here, but I made it blend. So we're going to the face. Y'all already know what I do. Just go ahead and watch me do what I do. I didn't wear foundation for this look, but it still came out super cute. So yeah, go ahead and watch and enjoy the music.
I tried to make you famous, same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know what the Vegas? Now we in Houston. Definitely going down. Hey, hey, I got a lot of bands, I got a lot of stress on me.
Got a lot of bands, got a lot of IP on me. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta cool it down. I gotta cool it down. It's been a lot of years, really think you get one past me. I gotta fend myself off.
On me, I gotta fend myself off. I gotta fend myself off. I gotta cool it down.
You got me. Whole lot of reservations. Whole lot of texting with no conversations. Whole lot of playing victim and a villain at the same time. Whole lot of money, not a lot of patience. Whole lot of niggas big and they want some time on it. Don't wanna float it. Penny in a bra, we can get it all.
Okay, and so for the last part, I'm taking this shimmer shade in the Culture palette, and I'm using this on the inner parts of my eye space, just on the tear duct area. And I felt like this gave it a little more pizzazz, you know, and it made it all come together.
I gotta cool it down. I gotta cool it down. Never met a girl with a mind like this. No, no.
Hey y'all, so this is the finished look. Oh yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this look. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye my loves.